So now I'm just going to give you a little tour of using the Ubuntu LivePC. It's posted on the public Mocha 5 website. You can see here that I have Ubuntu 7.04 beta booted up on my local machine. And see that LivePC is listed right here in the engine. You can click this icon, this little folder icon right here, and that will bring up your LivePC local documents. Those are the documents that are accessible in both the LivePC and outside. So you can see I have the same VM command file in both of these. So this is how you can transfer files in and out of the LivePC very easily. So I'll give you a tour of the specific features here. So I'm going to zoom in here on the menu. You can see that Ubuntu has a variety of applications. So a handful of accessories, some miscellaneous little games, some basic graphics editing applications including GIMP. And you can see there's also a variety of internet applications including VoIP phone tools, mail client, instant messaging, and a web browser. There's a full Office suite installed, OpenOffice 2.2, along with Evolution, which is an Outlook-compatible email and calendar client. There's also a sound and video player set of programs, which include a movie player, a music library manager, and some tools for ripping and creating your own CDs. So the Places folder, or selection at the top menu, which lets you access the basic main paths on your system, including the desktop, computer, and your network. And then in the system selection, you have preferences and administration tools. Now, most of the settings that you set here probably won't take effect if you reboot the system. If you want to really change the settings, you want to actually go to the LivePC's advanced properties, which are accessible from the engine interface. And you can't actually get to them while the LivePC is running, but those options are available on this from the little pencil icon on the interface. So I'm going to go back to showing you the rest of the features of this LivePC, and then I'll show you how to make permanent changes. So this icon here is Komachi. That's the transparent VPN client. This next icon indicates your network connection status, and there's a sound control icon. This upper right-hand icon in the corner will let you shut down or reboot your Ubuntu LivePC. Come down here to the bottom right-hand corner, you can see the different workspaces that are available, and the trash can, which in Windows is typically on the desktop, is actually in the menu, in the bottom bar down here in Ubuntu. Now, if you start applications such as Firefox, you'll see that the bottom bar will indicate which applications are running, so you can kind of click them to minimize them to the bottom, or select whatever window you want if you have a bunch open. And over here in the bottom left-hand corner, there's an icon that minimizes everything so you can get to your desktop. So that's a basic overview of how to use Ubuntu, and I'm just going to power off the virtual machine so that I can show you the settings for making the LivePC manageable by you. So you can hit Control-Alt to actually escape out of the VM if you haven't figured that out. So now my mouse is free, so I'm going to go to Player up here at the top, Troubleshoot, Power Off and Exit. That's an unclean shutdown. It would be better if I were to go to the little red icon in the upper right-hand corner in it to shut down. But now I can come over here to the Advanced menu, which will pop up here, and I can set, let me make changes to this LivePC. Now this is going to let me update system preferences, install new packages, all the kind of things that I would do if I had installed the Ubuntu OS locally on my machine. Now you can also see here there's this let me use this LivePC offline feature, and that's going to make it so that I download the entire LivePC to my local machine or to my USB stick or USB hard drive or iPod if I installed the engine on one of those. And that'll let me go and plug into another computer and use the entire LivePC without having to actually have a network. There are also some more advanced options here. The package option will let you upload new changes that you made. So let's say you added in a web server that had Ruby on Rails in it, and you were using it to make little web interfaces that you and your friends use to organize, say, your chores at your apartment. You could add all of those features in, choose package, and upload it online so that you would be able to share the modifications with other people. There's also this automatically start this LivePC, which will let you run the LivePC whenever the engine starts. It's useful if you have a USB stick with this operating system on it, and you can just plug it in and know that it's going to boot up and be all ready to go. So there you go. That's a basic overview of how to use Ubuntu in the LivePC engine, and I hope that helps get you started.